Hello there. If somehow it happened that you are one of these rare human beings that landed on my channel and wondering what this guy is going to sell me, I'm not going to sell you anything, but I'm going to teach you how to not be stupid. What are my competences and how can I teach people to not be stupid? Well, I have high school diploma and a few years ago I lost money in crypto. So I can at least pass you a little bit of knowledge on how to not do the same mistakes as I did. Of course, everything I do here, it's not a financial advice. I don't have any degree. I'm not financial advisor or anything like this. So if you want to invest, just do your own research and I'm going to try to pass you some educational info here. So I want to talk about the bubbles in crypto and how to avoid hoping on the project that is really hyped up and lose money by doing so. So my story in crypto started a few years ago, started when I was actually putting some money in the crypto project. So like I knew about crypto before, but I never put the money till the late 2017, and that was a very bad move. So there was a lot of projects that I thought are great and have potential to go up much more, not knowing that it could be a bubble and thinking this project will go to trillions of dollars. And then my portfolio turned into dust. It wasn't a big portfolio because I was a very poor human being, and I'm still very poor human being. But it hurt because when you are poor, it really hurts when you are losing money. So if you are poor like me, just do not lose money. So recently there is a lot of hype around Filecoin, and I will use this project as the example to not be stupid. But there is more projects like this, and I want to show you based on this project what to look at when you check your crypto projects and you think maybe it's great, maybe I want to invest, but actually what to pay attention to not do this really stupid mistake. So we open CoinGecko and we searching through the projects. That's the page I really like to use. And I mentioned already Filecoin. So number 15, large market cap, name interesting, could be project that make us millions. So I'm checking Filecoin. And of course, I don't hold anything against Filecoin. I think it's an amazing project. And I think this project will be successful in what they do. Probably they will do great things and maybe people will be using them and they will have a big share of the market. So Filecoin is decentralized storage, as the name says. It's not really that new of the project. It's been in development for past 6 years. And what it could replace, well, cloud storage, let's go simple, Dropbox, maybe Amazon Web Services, but Amazon Web Services offer something a little bit more. So let's see the market cap of Filecoin. Market cap at over 9 billion, quite a lot. Let's round it to 10 billion. But then I'm checking about circulating supply and the max supply of it. As you can see, the number of tokens in circulation right now is roughly 65 million, but the total supply of the token is close to 2 billion. What does it mean? In the future, as people mine the Filecoin token, there will be more and more of this. Of course, at this moment, we should pay only attention to the number of circulating tokens. But as people start using Filecoin, as adoption increases, then the mining increases and the more tokens will be in the circulation. So this is why I do want to pay some attention to this fully diluted valuation. So if this happened, what I just mentioned, and the price stay the same, the fully diluted valuation will be roughly 300 billion US dollars. This is the fully diluted valuation of Filecoin. And if you would think that it's a great idea to invest into the Filecoin, think of this number, 300 billion US. So I want to tell you, unless in few years, we transfer our minds to the cloud storage using the Filecoin. And if some people do have souls, if we transfer our souls into the decentralized cloud storage using Filecoin, this valuation will be quite relevant. But I do not believe if it doesn't happen, if we will not transfer our minds to the decentralized cloud storage using Filecoin, this might be difficult to excuse this sort of valuation. And why I'm saying this, maybe you would try to attack me that I'm roasting such a great project, but I just want to go by simple terms. So what is the current market of the cloud storage? So in 2020, it was 50 billion. 50 billion of the market share of the cloud storage. Filecoin right now is 10 billion. Do you use Filecoin? Do you know someone that uses Filecoin? I don't. So what could excuse the valuation with the Filecoin? Of course, we speculate on the future, but we need to also think about what's happening now. So now it's 50 billion. Okay, but it's not about now, it's about the future. Filecoin is the future. In the future, this 300 million, and probably some people would say even trillion, is relevant. By 2025, it's estimated that cloud storage market will be 140 billion US dollars. So think of it, 300 billion, fully diluted valuation. Just don't be stupid in what you do. Do your own research. This project actually raised 200 million, so it's good. It could really replace, it could be the part of the ecosystem. And we need to remember there will not be one player. The same, you don't have the Dropbox dominating all cloud storage. You have Microsoft, Amazon, Apple here, and many other companies. So unless this project will take all the market share, you will lose money investing into this. So just be careful. And I want to give you a few advices how I do check the project. So I like to know what is the company. So also, it doesn't mean anything, but I really like to do Filecoin and then LinkedIn. Of course, a lot of people from crypto doesn't like to be exposed on the LinkedIn, but it's good. It's good thing to check what's happening there. As you can see, they're active. And Filecoin Foundation, 14 people only. Of course, it doesn't have to mean anything because crypto projects are small. But for example, Filecoin, we saw the valuation, and there's other project. I personally like this project. I'm not invested, which is Akash Network. I'm not trying to shield this. It was pumping a lot, so I would be careful. I do follow this project since the start, before they issue the tokens. Because I like projects being built in the Cosmos ecosystem. But anyway, Akash is a cloud computing. It's bigger market share than what Filecoin trying to do. So it's open source cloud and decloud for DeFi, what it says. I'm not going to do deep dive into this. And you can see the market cap of this is completely different. And this project is actually already used. Some people already use Akash. It's very cheap to use. It's 90% cheaper to use than many other cloud services. And if I see Akash, I can easily find the team. Let's see if I can find this Akash network. It's nearly 50 people officially employed over here. So this is always the very first information I'm looking when I seek to invest. Of course, none of these projects is my advice to invest, but like this could give you an idea how to check the valuation, check the market, what's the current market share, what's the prediction, and then think if investing in certain project is reasonable, because that's the one thing you should be aware when investing, and be always careful when investing in the peak of the market. If you see good project, we always fear that we will miss on the opportunity. So when project rising straight away, like you see 30% every day, we think I'm going to miss on this because it's going to go 500% up. So one thing I want to tell you, nothing goes up forever. You're not going to miss on this. You're not losing money by not investing into projects. You can only lose money by investing into a project when it drops. When you don't invest, you don't lose. So don't say I lost money because I didn't invest. Don't say I missed. Maybe you missed opportunity, but there will be time to invest. The crypto market will crash. Maybe Bitcoin will not, but these projects are not widely used yet. They are overvalued. You will have chances save your money, and when you feel like you have some spare money, then get when you think it's fairly valued. So thank you for watching. I hope very soon I'm going to provide you with more information how to not be stupid in crypto. Thank you, and see you next time.